Before we get started, hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Jacoby. Let's get into it. Yeah. So now we're gonna dive into what resolutions that you can set for yourself for volleyball. So first resolution you can set, you can be like, okay, I want to join a volleyball team this year. And that can be at the church, local church, YMCA, school, or a club. Or you can do private lessons, or you can do like a beach tournament, a grass tournament. You can find a Facebook group. Like there's so many options and avenues that you can take to get started playing volleyball. So those are multiple options that you have. 2 is to get a ball and go outside every day or every other day and practice your touch on the ball. So I challenge you to get like at least 100 touches on the ball every other day. And if you want to go every day, that's even better. But by touches on the ball, I mean like setting against the wall, passing against the wall, and hitting against the wall. Because those are the 3 basics that you need to start is pass, set, and hit. That's really important to get those basics down. And then you can also work on serving. So the difference between hitting against the wall and serving against the wall is that you're going to keep your hand flat when you serve, and then when you're hitting, you snap on the ball and you want to get topspin on it. Another resolution you can have is to increase your vertical jump. I know a lot of people place importance on vertical jumps in volleyball, which I do agree with. It is important to some degree. It depends on what you do, what your game is like. Why did I say that? What your game is like, how tall you are, what position you play. Okay, that's really what it comes down to. But it's always great for everyone to have a good vertical, mainly just because it just makes you more dynamic in any spot that you play. So how can you increase your vertical? Great freaking question. You can increase your vertical by doing a lot of squats, okay, jump rope, a lot of toe raises or leg raises. No, toe raises, like, like calf raises. Yeah, I don't know what they're called. You can also just really focus on being explosive rather than lifting heavy all the time. So like, of course you want to do like your weighted squats, you want to do weight so you can get stronger, but you also want to incorporate explosive movements in there, such as like box jumps, those like plyometrics. Why can I not think of that word? Plyometrics is what you really want to implement as well, but you don't want to overdo it, because if you overtrain plyometrics, that's not necessarily good. So you just want to find like a nice balance between the two. Next, you can make a goal/resolution to journal every day. And I do this. I started doing this like consistently, like maybe a week ago, but better late than never, right? Journaling is a really good way to deal with stress, or just kind of get your thoughts out of your head and put them on a piece of paper and just like exhale and calm down. I love journaling and highly recommend to anyone. And also it's really big in sports because your mental health is as important as your physical health. And in a sport, it's like sports psychology, like you need to be on your mental game to perform physically. Next, another goal I would set is making your school team. I know a lot of people are like scared/nervous about tryouts, but that's a goal that you can set for yourself, is to make your school team. And how can you make your school team, Jacoby? Well, there are many factors that go into that, but we're going to keep it simple because that's the best way to go about anything. It's just to keep it simple and clean. First of all, it's all about mindset. Okay, if you believe, you can achieve, and that is literally so true. Like I don't want to hear that it's cliche. It's true. If you believe that you can do something, you're gonna do it because you're already thinking that, yeah, I can do it, and you're not gonna think anything other than that. So mental check. Okay, if you believe, you can achieve. Say it with me. Great. Okay, another great way to get ready for tryouts is, once again, to get your touches on the ball. How many times can I say that? Y'all gotta do it, okay? Make me proud and go outside or stay in a room and just get touches on the ball. I swear it will make the world different. I promise you. Next, I would say a great way to be like noticed at tryouts is just be like super communicative. I don't know. Someone check me. Spell check. But be like super loud and be like mine, and just be energetic, bring energy, like cheer on your teammates, like that. Like coaches love that. They eat it up. But once again, if you're like super introverted, like you're gonna have to fake it till you make it. That's a big thing in volleyball, like, because your confidence can be rocked every play or every other play, and you gotta fake it till you make it, because If someone on the other team senses that you're not feeling confident, they're going to keep serving at you. They're going to keep hitting at you. They're going to go after you. So you have to be strong. You have to be tough, okay? Lastly, I think another good resolution to have is getting your overhand serve. I know a lot of people want to get their overhand serve. That's like the first like major volleyball skill that's like, yes, like I did it. Getting your overhand serve is also really important / impressive when you go to tryouts and you already have your overhand serve. They're like, okay, bet. Like I don't have to develop her on the basics, but now I can mold her into the player that I want her to be that will fit into our system. How you can get your overhand serve is you can get a ball. Once again, you need a ball. And you can practice just like your contact on the ball. You can do this literally sitting down like I am outside or whatever, and then you can progress to serving against the wall. And then I suggest that you go watch my tutorials on how to serve, because that will really break it down on how to serve overhand, and that's a really big milestone in your volleyball career. It's getting your overhand serve. I remember I was so excited when I was like, yes, oh my god, like I got my overhand serve, and I got it before tryouts. So yeah, my personal goals, 1 is to post consistently on this channel. Even though sometimes, you know, your girl needs a break, but at least once a week is what I want to do every single week this 2022. Fingers crossed that happens. Number 2, I want to do more giveaways for you guys, because I know a lot of people don't have access, or maybe they just can't afford a ball, and I promote Tachikara volleyballs a lot because they're literally the best, and having a ball at home literally changes the game for you. So let me know if you want me to do more giveaways. 3, I want to focus on my health more. I want to work out pretty consistently, even though I do that, but like even more consistently. And I want to finish out the year strong, or start the year strong. I don't know, what am I talking about? Next, I want to graduate college, which I am. Oh my god, I cannot believe that. Graduating in May, so I want to finish strong and graduate with the highest GPA I can possible, and yeah. Next, I want to do more how-to videos on this channel. So I have a vlog channel that I post my vlogs on now. So on this channel, I want to focus mainly only on volleyball and teaching you guys all my knowledge, because I want to give you all of my knowledge, because I wished I had someone like me or anyone who has a volleyball channel when I was going through volleyball growing up. So I just want to help you guys as much as possible. Anyways, you guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the support this year, and can't wait for next year.